happy 4th of July to you if you're watching this the day it goes up, otherwise, belatedly, there you go. So, today I'm doing something a little different. It is an unboxing video, but it's also, I'm not sure if this counts as sponsored or not, actually, but the company did send me a bunch of products for free to both unbox and review. Review videos will be separate as they always are when I do my unboxings. I do that in one, reviews in another, so somebody looking for a specific product can find it by searching, otherwise you would never find anything on this channel. So anyway, but I actually have a code if you guys would like to order from their website. The code is, this is all capital letters, INF, the number 10, and then Beatle, B-E-A-T-L-E. I'm going to have it down at the bottom of the screen. I'll go over the details of it again at the end of the video. But yeah, so, diving right in, the company is called Stylevana, which I feel like I'd heard of before, but at the same time, when I went to the site, also definitely had not been on the site before, so I don't know. I feel like maybe I've heard of it in passing or something, but they've got a bunch of good stuff at really reasonable prices on there. I was very surprised. A lot of Korean beauty products, although there is some other stuff that isn't K-beauty, that's just like normal beauty products, but... So the stuff they sent me aren't ones that I got to pick out or anything. It's just like a random assortment of products. So reaching in no particular order, we have this Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Cream, which I've heard of this brand before because I have their, the Black Rice Toner that I think I got in an Ipsy one time. It is still sealed, but, must not be real big, but at the same time, I'm, like, really excited to try this, though, because if it's anything like that toner, should love it. I was just like, alright, there's a name that I actually know right off the bat. Cool! So I have that. This one's a biggie. This is by the brand Fruitia, which I also think I have heard of before. Derived from fruit. And this is their Citrus Brightening Micro Cleansing Foam. So it's a cleanser. I always like it when it's in a nice big tube like this, because if you like it, you have a whole lot of uses there. So that's fun. These do have English on the back as well as Korean. So just apply a proper amount of it to your face and do massage thoroughly. After that, do wash your face up with water. That is literally the wording. So we've got that here. We have got, what else have we got? This is smaller. What's this? It's just a little pouchy pouch. It almost looks like those little baby food pouches. This is by a brand called Day Mellow, which I've actually not heard of before. And this is their Amazon Belief Protection Andirova Sunblock. 50 SPF, PA++++, high protection, WV shield, non-sticky. So I like that this is in like a little... like screw top one, and it's in a pouch, because this way, I mean, you could like clip it onto stuff, you can take it on the go with you to the beach, on a boat, on a floaty, whatever you want. It's very, very portable. I like that. That's a good idea. So, there's that. We have, what brand is this? Skin Food. Skin Food, I am, again, familiar with this brand. This is the More Safe Sun All Day Berry SPF 50+, PA++++. Special food ingredients to feed your skin. Contains nutritive and energizing ingredients like fresh plants and fruits to maintain healthy and lively skin. We're in July. I've been out in the pool a lot lately. Sunscreen is my friend. I am here for it. I am so down for them sending me sunscreens right now. I'm like, yes, please and thank you. And it's nice high SPF too, so definitely helpful. I've also got this, it's by a brand called Riri, R-I-R-E, Bubble Lip Mask. Now, I've never done a normal lip mask, I don't think, so far yet, but this is a bubbling lip mask, so I'm like, okay, I'm intrigued. I'm intrigued. Our lip mask features soft micro bubbles that gently remove dead skin cells from your lips to moisturize and smoothen your lips. I'm like, sounds intriguing as heck to me. But yeah, so I looked at the ingredients list, nothing that looks scary in there or anything, so, alright, I'm down. But yeah, I was just like, alright. We've got that. What is this by? Trying to find a brand on it. I literally cannot find a brand on here. I know I have an email from them that has all the names and the products, but it says Keep Cool and Soothe Toner with 85% bamboo toner. It's mild and calming. There's probably a brand name that I'm missing somewhere on here. When I do a proper review on this, I will most definitely include that. Because I'm like, oh, I feel bad that I can't find the brand name. I'm looking all over the box. Unless Keep Cool and Soothe is the brand name, I don't know. And then finally, the last product they sent me for free. This goes along with all the sunscreens. In case you should still get sunburned, they sent this tub of Nature Republic aloe vera gel. It's 92% aloe vera gel. So I'm like, alright, that's pretty good. And it's like a big ol' honkin' tub of it too, which, very ironic because I was this close to buying a thing of aloe vera gel the other day at the store, and then I was like, hold up. I'm pretty sure I remember something about you're either getting an aloe vera gel from Stylevana or you're getting one from a Nipsey. And I couldn't remember which. So when this came, I was like, yes! Thank you! Thank you, thank you, thank you, because I actually was 100% out of aloe vera gel and definitely needed some, so now a big ol' hunkin' tub of it. So next time that I overstay my welcome in the pool and turn out neon freaking pink sunburned despite using sunscreen, because it happens. We've all been there. It happens. I'll have some nice aloe vera gel to use on it. So, about that collab. If you use the code INF10Beatle, you'll get 10% off your entire order, excluding weekend deals and instant discounts, and an additional 15% off the order if your purchase exceeds, and this goes different depending on the country you're in. So if you're in the US, if you exceed $59, in Canada, if you exceed 75 Canadian dollars, in the UK, if you exceed 43 pounds, Australia, 77 Australian dollars, or in Europe, 48 euros. So, I will have links down in the description of all the different sites depending on which country you're in to shop through, as well as another copy over of that code, and the hashtags that if you buy anything and you want to tag it on social media, use hashtag Stylevana and hashtag VanaFamily. I'll throw those on the screen here so you'll know how to include those. They asked if I could include it in the description of the video, but that counts as tag stuffing, which actually goes against YouTube's terms of service. Do not do that. So, don't do that. But if you want to put it in the actual tags, I did put it in my actual tags, but those don't show publicly. They are there, but if you have it on anything like Instagram, Twitter, wherever else you'd like to post it, throw it in those descriptions because it's allowed on all of those. So, I am very, very grateful that they sent me all these goodies to try out and review for you guys, and I'm looking forward to shopping through them, and hopefully you will too, and if you do, remember to use that code. So, anyways, reviews are forthcoming soon, so this code will work through the end of September of this year, if you're going to use it. So, anyways, that is it for this one, guys. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. If you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye!